MVP Investors. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about my midday market recap today. I took 2 trades total. I took a trade on Mara, and then I took a couple Forex trades. And the market's here right about to close here within the next 5 minutes. But so I took a trade on Mara. This was a previous stock that I had called out in our day trading group chat at mvpinvestors.com. So what I saw is I saw this big gap up of about 16%. So this was automatically on my radar. Whoops, sorry about that. So I automatically saw that and I put it on my watch list, and so I started to watch it. And so this is what I kind of saw. I saw this first kind of maybe profit taking from the big gap up in the morning and a little consolidation here, and then I saw this huge run up, from this big, 7% gain in one candle. So I understood that this stock, had a lot of, oops, sorry about that, a lot of volume and a lot of attention. So, and I knew that this wasn't a lot of profit taking. So I knew there were still some people interested, and so on and so on. All right, and first of all, and it was below the VWAP is one of our stock studies. So I didn't jump in yet. I should have, but I didn't. I saw this huge gap up. I tried to place an order right around here. I didn't get filled. So I said, no big deal. Maybe we will have another stock, or maybe this one will kind of flag out and kind of push back up. All right, so the next candlestick is I saw this big, kind of big drop. And so I said, okay, maybe this is where we could get a nice bull flag or some kind of pattern here. And so I saw this, this didn't beat the previous high of this, and I said, okay, let's stay out of it for a little bit, and let's kind of see what's going on. And so this is where I kind of started to think, okay, maybe we're going to start seeing a push back up, because it kind of leveled out a little bit and it kind of fell more. So I said, no big deal, it's just flagging out. And this is where I jumped in. I jumped in at right when it beat the previous high of this red candle is where I jumped in. So I jumped in at, I think, 42 and 43. So somewhere in here, probably 42 and a half. I can go check. Hold on. Whoops. All right, let's go to my notes here. All right, 42 and a half, 42 and some change. Okay, so I saw that, and I saw this big push up. So, and the volume was still kind of going down. That's the only thing that I was a little worried about was this, is the volume going down. But right when I saw this, and it was kind of having a hard time beating the VWAP, but wait, not VWAP, but previous resistance and support lines. So then this is where I understood that this is where, we will have a lot more push. And I already took, at 1,500 share at, 142. But yeah, okay, so I'm in 1,500 shares right here, and I see this big push up, just right here is a 7% gain. So I'm up, what was that, about $85, $90, and I saw this big pullback. I said, no big deal, it's expected after, because of this one, it pulled back, and and it had a hard time beating the VWAP here. So I said, okay, maybe let's see if it can push back up. It's still consolidated, and then boom, this is where I sold. I sold at 58 right here. So let's go 42. So 11% day. I didn't hold it. I sold most of my shares off, around here. So, I was up about $135, and I was looking to hop back in. I'll show you where. Let's see. And the market's closed. But okay, so this kind of is a good example of kind of calling out a resistance line. So I put a resistance here because of this green one. I put it at the bottom, and it really worked out good. But I was looking more along here to see if it can get a push back up, which it did, but the risk was a little too high for the reward, but so that was that trade. And obviously if I would have held it at 42, I could have maxed out my gains right here, 65. But who knows? There's nothing I could have done, nothing that I could have done. But I'm happy with it. Yep. Yeah. All right. So what's this one? RKDA. Huh. That's crazy. This is another cool stock that I've bought in the past, but I didn't buy it today. But look at this. Wait, that was more than 20 days ago. Hold on. Let's go. Time frame. Let's go 90 days, 1 hour. Look at this right here. This is the stock that I have bought, and I missed out on it. Missed out on this. It's 400%, over 400%. I bought this stock at $9.45 around here, like over here. Sold it at $12 and some change, but that's in the past, no big deal. All right, so that's gonna be it though. I did take a forex trade here. Hold on, it's gonna make my chart bigger or my face bigger. Whoops, it's not letting me go. There we go. All right, so here, hold on. Let's see if I can pull it up. Hold on, let's go to my MetaTrader for trade. And just off this, I took a trade, a long time ago, yesterday, and that's kind of cover up some of this. But let's see if it loads. Let's see if it loads out. Maybe if I put it closer. There we go. Let's go a little closer. Bam. That's just from one of my trades here. I'm up a lot on it, so I may just take profits now. But bam, sold. So just from there, it's a 12. That I took that about a couple weeks ago, but because I saw a perfect support bounce. But okay, yeah. So that's gonna be it though. I took a couple of trades, but my trade for my forex, I did take a buy and sell today, and it was a $25 winner. Not much here. Let's see if you guys can kind of see some of my trades here. Yeah, well, it's not. It's always having a hard time. See, bam, 25, 25, 20. So, it was $20 winner, not 25. But still. All right, yeah, so that's going to be it, though. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please sure to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think about my videos. Also, I'm going to be trying to go live more. I know I've been having a lot of, trouble with it, and just the volume and stuff's not working that well. But all right, thanks for watching, everybody. Please sure to hit the subscribe button, share it, comment, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.